We had done adverbs of time. Now we are going to do adverbs of place. That's the second of kind of adverb. Adverbs of place. That's the second kind. Adverbs of place. What is an adverbs of place? An adverbs of place and adverbs of place. An adverbs of place show where an action is done. Show where an action is done. An action is done. So adverbs of place, it says very clearly where. So what you have to do is, where you ask a question, the question asked in the adverbs of places, where, which place, where is the action done? When you know where, if it answers the question where, then you know it's an adverb of place. Okay, I'll give you a few examples. Examples of adverbs of place. First one. Come here. Come here. I searched for him everywhere. I searched for him. I searched for him everywhere. Everywhere. Third. The child ran down the hill. The child ran down the hill. Down the hill. They have gone away. They have gone away. The train stops there. The train stops there. The boys ran forward. The boys ran forward. My brother has gone out. My brother has gone out. My house is far. My house is far. Now let's look at all these sentences now. An adverb is a word which modifies or adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective, or another adverb. And I told you there are 6 different kinds of adverb. And we are doing the second, adverbs of place. To identify in the sentence if it is an adverb of place, you simply ask the question where. Where was the action done? Now, what is an adverb of place? An adverb of place show where an action is done. Where. So remember the question where to ask to the sentence. Now, let us now identify adverbs of place. Come here. When you say come, understood, come. But when you say come here, so here is the adverb of place. I searched for him everywhere. Everywhere. Where? Everywhere. Come where? Come here. The child ran down the hill. The child ran where? He ran down. The child ran down the hill. Where? Down the hill. They have gone. They have gone away. They have gone. Where they have gone? Where? Away. Away, we don't know where. The train stops. Where? Where does the train stop? There. Over there. The boys ran forward. Where did they run? They ran forward. My brother has gone. Gone where? Out. My brother has gone out. My house is far. Where? Where's your house? Far. Far away. So the words everywhere, down, away, there, forward, out, far. All these words tell us. They answer the question where. So we know these are adverbs of place. Where is it happening? Where shows where an action is done. We have some more words and we can make our own sentences. Now in this case, we have words like here, then we have down, we have everywhere, everywhere, then we have away, away, there, forward, forward, out, far. There are many more adverbs and here are some more for you. Now, there I already have there, outside, outside. Another word is outside. Where did you leave your bag? I left my bag outside. Outside is another adverb of place. Then far we already have near. Where is your house? My house is near the shop. Near. Now, above. We don't have above. Above. Where is the kite? The kite is flying above the tree, above. Below. Where is the cat? The cat is sitting below the table, below. Above, below, out you have, within. Where did you leave the money? I left the money within the box. I left the money within the box or table, whatever. Within. Within. Then we have inside. Where did you put your clothes? I put the clothes inside the trunk. inside. Inside, then you have outside already. Outside, outside, inside, outside. Now, the adverbs of place. How do we identify? It shows where an action is done. And it answers the question, where? Where? So we have lots of words that to tell us adverbs of place, whether it is here or down, everywhere, away, there, forward, out or in, far or near, outside or near, above, below, within, inside, outside. Lots of words are there. All these words answer the question, where? So, when the word or sentence, you identify the adverb, and if it answers the question where the action is done, then you know very clearly it's an adverb of place.